Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're here, chances are you're having trouble pairing your Xfinity remote with your Insignia TV. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the pairing issue between your Xfinity remote and your Insignia TV. Let's jump right into it. Section 1, check the basics. First things first, let's go over some basics. Ensure that your remote has working batteries. Sometimes the issue is as simple as needing fresh batteries. Also, make sure your Xfinity remote is in the correct mode for controlling the TV. You can switch modes by pressing the TV button on your remote. Section 2, manual pairing method. Now, if you've checked the basics and everything looks good, we'll move on to manually pairing the remote with your Insignia TV. Follow these steps carefully. Press and hold the Xfinity button and the I button on the remote at the same time for about 5 seconds. A code should appear on your TV screen. Enter this code using your Xfinity remote. After entering the code, your Xfinity remote should be paired with your TV. Test it by using the volume or power button. If that worked, great. But if not, we've got a couple more tricks to try. Section 3, programming remote with TV codes. Next up, let's try programming the remote using specific TV codes for Insignia TVs. Here's how you can do that. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the light at the top turns green. Enter the 5-digit code for Insignia TVs. Some common codes to try are 12,002, 11,780, and 13,559. Try each of these codes one by one. After entering each code, press the power button to see if your TV turns off. If it does, you've successfully paired your remote. Still no luck? Don't worry, let's go to the final step. 4, resetting the Xfinity remote. If your remote still isn't pairing, resetting the Xfinity remote might do the trick. Here's how you can reset it. Press and hold the setup button until the green light turns on. Then, press 9 to 8 minus 1 on your remote. This will reset the remote to its factory settings. Once the reset is complete, try pairing your remote with the TV again by following the manual pairing steps we discussed earlier. Section 5, contact support if needed. If none of these solutions worked, it's possible there could be a more technical issue. In that case, I recommend reaching out to Xfinity customer support for further assistance. Conclusion. And that's it, everyone. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the pairing issue between your Xfinity remote and your Insignia TV. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any other troubleshooting questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.